in the last 17 years, then we find that in 2004-5, there was a decrease of 5.2%. Now, that was the year before that, and I was in the police then and in that CIAC. The year before that, contact crime targets were introduced. It was said that all contact crimes have to be reduced by between 7 and 10% per annum for a period of 10 years. And that was the first year, 2004-5, actually the second year of that period of 10 years. And everybody was trying their best to lower the murder figure. I mean, there was much more visible policing in high murder areas. We also did a lot of analysis, GIS analysis, crime pattern analysis, timeline analysis, and a whole lot of other factors to explain the murder in certain high priority stations. And then there were attention on that. For example, Galeshewe in the Northern Cape, we found that many of the murders is murder by knife, and it is alcohol related. So they were focused on the alcohol relation and on the knives, and it had a very significant effect on that station. Then in 2009-10, which is the World Cup year, the World Soccer Cup year, also the first year of Minister Clare was then the National Commissioner, 9-10, we had a 7.6% decrease in murder. Then in 10-11, which was also still World Cup, 5.2%. And then even in the year after the World Cup, 11-12, we had a 2.1% decrease in murder. Now, those were very significant decreases. And again, it is actually because of high visibility, intelligence-based policing. And then the single largest increase was in 17-18, the time that the current minister took over, that was 6.9%, because from 10, 11, 12, basically all crimes, but especially also murder and robbery, started to increase. This was the year that Commissioner Piega took over, and since then, we just saw increases, basically. Now, between 2005, 4-5, and 11-12, there was only one other increase in that period, in the 4-5 and 11-12 period. There was only one increase, and that was in 6-7. Now, 6-7 was the year of the security guard strike. It happened in 2006, basically in May, June, July of 2006, and a lot of people were killed by security guards fighting amongst themselves, killing each other, but also because there were no security guards, there were more robberies and people got killed. And then also even the security guards participated in the crime. Now, all of that caused a lot of crime in 6-7. There was always a spike in 6-7, but also on the murder. But in those years, there was only this one increase. After 11-12, from 11-12 onwards, it actually went up with every year until last Friday.